Hello guys, so in today's video again we will repeat this exercise. We took it before, of course, in the class, and now I will be repeating the steps of making it. So I will open directly an architectural template and then directly will change the unit. So again, as we mentioned, we do have let's say 4 elements, 5 elements should be repeated. It's a floor with the little walls around it. And we did create a reference planes in order just to help us understand the border of these elements. So this is a huge one. Let's just make it like 800. I think we did it in the class 800 by 500. So this was the border of us. Directly create a floor, FL the shortcut around this border and say okay. Go to wall, WA is the shortcut again. Create your wall, duplicate it, and then just call it like 120 wall, which is 120 centimeter, and say okay. Without unconnected one, just put 120. Rectangular one, and we need the exterior. We mentioned why we choose the exterior one instead of the wall center, because we don't want the wall to be in the middle line, we want it to be at the edge of it. That's why I will just create something like this. Go to 3D as we mentioned, again we put the 3 as a shortcut. K is the shortcut of the keyboard shortcut. We put just 3 as shortcut of it. So this is the first part. We have to go to one of these elevation in order to repeat our levels. We need just to change the height of this level into 300, and then AR from this point into this one, and then just like 4, another 4 we need, I think so. We will select all of them and group them at the beginning, and then go to your view, plan views, floor plan, and then select all of them and say yes in order to be able to see them here. Go to 3D, select everything, and as you see, I'm not selecting something like this from the left or from right, from this point into the left one, or from here into the right one, because as you see, if I'm selecting like this, I will be selecting everything. In this way I will be selecting only my shape. So copy to clipboard, paste to aligned level from 2 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, this is the first part of our exercise. The second one we mentioned is the walls, so that's why we will be creating new walls. Be careful guys, do not click on the ceiling plans, just work with the level 1 floor plans, I mean. So create WA another wall, duplicate it, create, like I will just call it as a white because it's the white one. Go to your exterior again. This one should be into level 5. Come from this point. If you just started like this, you will just click the space in order to flip your wall, and now we will just create something like that, something like this. In the class we did another step, which is creating new reference planes in order to be able to see this degree approximately, or this angle. That's why I could repeat it again the same. So I will just work from this corner into here approximately, and then from this point into something like this. So extend them a bit. This is my reference planes, and now we could do something which is even you could create another reference plane in order to be able to see this 90 degree. As you see here, we mentioned that this is a 90, this is a 90, that's why we need another reference plane. I can either copy, I think this is 90 degree, isn't it? DI is the shortcut of dimension. Yes, it is. So CC for copying, or CO at the same shortcut. I'm moving it using the arrows. So approximately this is the walls we need. So WA again for the walls, and now just create something like this. TR for trim, and now select one of these walls. CS for create similar. Bring this fillet arc again, just a little thing, again repeat it if it didn't work. It's fine. With this command you should be sometimes zooming in, zooming out. You see, this is now I'm able, now I'm not, now I'm able, now I'm not. I don't know, like it's something related. Just say unjoin, it's fine. If you find like it's not like properly made, let's say just Ctrl Z and then bring this one a bit back, bring this one a bit in. Now CS. So we found, maybe we will find our selves where we need to repeat the command again and again a bit. Let's just even repeat it, you know, it's fine. Maybe we need just to bring it a bit in. CS. I will repeat it again, it's fine. You know, we faced this problem even before, even in the class. And join it. Let me just see. Okay, Ctrl Z. I will go to 3D at the beginning and then trim them. Now let's just go back, CS and join. Yes, now it works. Now let's just join these two, or just to bring this one a bit, yes, like this. You see, I just move it a bit out, it's fine, like this. Now just we can directly align this face with these, and now we could do something which is match properties from this wall into the others. MA, the shortcut of match properties. So these are the walls, and now I think there is something even here. It's not even connected. We will go to level 1 at the beginning and just bring this one a bit like this, bring this one a bit out, it's fine. Or even if you want to bring it even a bit outside, it's fine, you could, like this. Now just go to 3D just to check it. Yes. So we need to do something else, which is creating another section. The section we made, in order to be able to see directly this wall in front of us, like now if I just open this elevation, as you see guys, in this elevation, if I'm looking at this side, like from this way, I won't be able to see this wall like perpendicular. Okay, so what I want to see is just to create something like a view to enable me to see it in this way. So I'm just looking in this way. That's why we did create a section, and we created with the same angle of this one. As you see, Revit is highlighting the lines, so that's how I'm knowing, or I can know even that this section is directly parallel, let's say, with this line. So flip it, bring this arrow into the backside, and able to see it. So let me just show you something, which is creating or opening this section. Now you won't be able to see anything. Why? Because when you click it, these are the border of the view of this section. So just to bring it back and then go to section, now you will be able to see your building. So extend it, bring it, extend it. Yes, so this is our wall. Now edit profile, click this, even bring it outside a bit, bring another line like this, TR, SL, TR, split line and trim, and now just CC for copying, bring it like 60 as we did, and then create another line like this. I think that's how we did it. Yes, into that corner, which is let me just go to 3D because I don't want to miss it. Yes, exactly. So into this one, and then go to section, line like this, TR, select this, CO, from this point into this one, into this one, into this one, and now CL, TR, and now delete this one, say yes, go to 3D to be able to see them. If you want to move it even outside a bit, you could. You see, when I just say yes, it's not the thing I want. I will just select this and then move outside a bit, say yes. I think this is better for me. Now I will just go to WN as a window, duplicate it and put a new dimension. Height is 120 and then width is 80. I think that's how we did it, or these are the dimension we selected. We click one of these or both and then put 45 as a cell height, because we mentioned that it's approximately 45. Now we will just copy them into level 4. Yes, and now again repeat the same steps in here. WN, like 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. So I will just create another one, and now DI from here, middle line, middle line, middle line, and say equal, go to 3D. So yes, just select these windows and put 45, and then copy them, paste, align to selected level 2, 3, 4, and say yes. Now what I'll be doing is just selecting these walls. Let me just put a new material for them, which will be the white material. Put this one, apply, yes, apply, and now select one of them, one of these windows, select all instances visible in view, right click again and then hide them. And then we mentioned even, let me just delete this. We mentioned even in the class how we could change the floor, this floor, change the border of it. Select this one with this one, TR, yes, delete this, TR, this with that, this with this, and then delete these two, align with this one, say yes, go to 3D, bring it a bit up, 20, not like this, 0, bring this one a bit down, minus 30, minus 30, and then 150, match properties, this one with these two, yes, because we do have this little intersection in here, and these elements, which are the columns, just go to architecture, component, model in place, generic model, and say little extrusion, put a new just little circles, something like this, sorry, little circles like that, and then CC for copying them, something like this. Delete this one, CC, put the height 1000, say yes, bring it up, something like this, is say yes, and then go to level 1, bring some humans, insert, load family, and storage one, which is this one, bring a human figure, load it, and then go to component, put some in level 3 or 4, put it here, go to 3D, yes, bring this a human, put it in level like this, it's fine. So this is it. Go to GD, smooth, lighten like this and say yes, and you could even activate that one, this one, if you like. So this is it for today.